Okay, what we're going to do today is, I don't like the way the book goes through and identifies the significant figures. I didn't do that in this class on Thursday. I did it in section 3. There's a rather long video that goes over and reviews significant figures, and it's quite good. And it goes by the book, and if you like those rules, that's fair enough. Nothing like a lot of practice. So between those rules and the rules that I'm going to put on the board, which I think are a little more simpler, is that better? That I think you're going to be in good shape. I also have produced a worksheet where I have 90 measurements, and you have to identify how many significant figures, you have to convert it into scientific notation, and then you have to come up with the precision for each measurement. So that's not going to be a problem, and I'll have that ready, and I'll make that into a movie, okay? So if you look at this, what we're going to do here is we're going to list the 4 rules on the board, and then what we're going to do is we're going to convert them to scientific notation. After we're going to identify the significant figures using 4 rules, convert to scientific notation, and we'll also list the precision. Clear? Okay? Yeah. All right. So let's do it. The first rule is very simple, and it's similar to what's in the book. All. Does that come over? Can you see that? Can you see that on the screen? Yeah, that's big enough, right? All non-zero. I'm going to try to write neater on the board. All non-zero digits. How do you spell digits? D-I-G-I-T. I know, yeah. Is that right?
No, I. Instead of the E.
D-I-G-I-T. Digit. What's a digit? It's a numeral. Yeah, it's a numeral. There are 10 numerals. Clear? A 0 and then 9 non-zero. Okay? All non-zero digits are significant. We're going to call them sig figs, okay? That's 1. Rule 1. Is that all right? Can you see that? It's there. Now it'll be a big screen when you look at it, but fair enough. So let's go through this and mark the non-zero digits, okay? Can I just do it, or do I need your permission? Can I just do it? Yes? Clear? Yes? Okay. This next one, you know what, let's do this next one in blue. It'll just emphasize it a little bit. Okay? We'll do blue. Okay, now the next one is that, and this is a tough one, but you've got to look at the words that are used in the definition. Okay? Yes? And I'm just going to talk about an individual zero. Okay? Any zero, okay, after the decimal point, and is the final digit, okay, and is the final digit. What's the problem?
Sorry.
I'm in class and I'm filming.
I'm just going to adjust.
Why? Are you driving?
Yes.
Why is that? Oh, you are? Okay, well, good luck. Okay? Very good. Okay. We'll miss him. Okay. Right. Is ... as they put when the plot thickens? It's not showing? Okay, then we'll move it over. Okay, it's not showing. Thank you very much. My videographer there. Excellent. Okay. Excellent. Thank you. Very nice. Thank you. Any zero after the decimal point, n is the final digit, is a what?
Significant.
Sig fig. Okay? You got that? Are there any here? We'll do it in blue. Any here? A zero after the decimal point, to the right of the decimal point, after the decimal point. And it's a final digit. Any here? Is this one?
No.
No, that's before. It's final, but it's before. Here?
No.
No? No?
Yes. Yeah.
Where?
The last digit.
The last one. Good. Here? Yeah. Here?
Yes. Yeah.
Here?
Yes. Yeah.
Good? So far? So far so good? Yes? Okay, now. Number 3 is in 2 parts. And I combine number 3 into 1 because it's odd. It's an odd, they're odd rules. Okay? A 0 with a bar is a sig fig. Okay? A 0 with a bar is a sig fig. Any here? We'll do black. Any here? 0 with a bar. Is that one? Okay. Then I think that's it. Okay? And then let's just use another color. And then a 0 to the left of a written in decimal point and nothing to the right of the decimal point. Is sig fig. Okay? Do we have any like that? Do we have any like that? Anybody? Please put me out of my misery. Okay? If I ask a question and you know the answer, it's very helpful to have 3 or 4 people answer the question. Otherwise, we get stuck in one of those loops on a computer that you can't get out of. You try to shut it down, you just can't get out of it. And then the class becomes really dull. Classes, I'm going to give you a hint. Classes move much more quickly if you participate. Fact. Jack. Anybody? Yes. The first one. Yes. Shall I write a bunch? Shall I write a bunch here? Like 100, 10, 4,000, 50,000, 10. I did that. 4. All right. So if you have a 0 that is, you have a decimal point on the right that's written in and nothing else, That zero is significant. Okay? Clear?
Yeah.
Is that okay? Laura, you all right with that? Now that you ate your lunch, you feel fortified and ready to do battle? Excellent, I like that. A chemistry warrior. That's what I think when I look at you. Excellent. Okay, now, let's do number 4. All right, you ready? We'll use black. Number 4. All zeros between two sig figs are sig figs. Okay? All zeros between sig figs are sig figs. Does that include any up here? Yeah. Number 1, certainly, yeah. Number 2? Absolutely. Number 3? Nope. Number 4?
Yeah.
Blah. Number 5?
Yeah.
Number 6? No. Number 7? Okay. Yes?
Yeah.
So the number of significant figures here I'll put to the left. Okay? 4, 3, 1, 6, 4, 2, 7. Get it? All right? Now we'll do scientific notation. What are the rules for scientific notation? Only sig figs, 1 sig fig to the left of the decimal, correct for base 10. That's it. Clear? All right, you got that?
Yeah.
I know it's a little simple. It's a little simple. What you need, Basilin? No, because it's on film. It's for posterity. You can go home and put it on pause and repeat and pause and repeat, right? Only significant figures, 1 sig fig to the left of the decimal, correct for base 10. Shall we do it? Shall I just do it quickly, see if you can do it? Why don't you do it, start, and then I'll give you a head start, and then I'll do it, okay? Let's do it. Come on. Zayed, don't hurry. You might have a heart attack, okay? Zayed is on 33 1/3 speed, okay. Can we get it up to 78? Laura, you working or not? Taking the day off? You're kind of out of it today. Are you all right? Tired? Got a cold? You look like you got a cold. You have that I have a cold look. I hope you feel better. Okay, so let me start. 4.000 times 10 to the third, 9.00 times 10 to the 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 1 times 10 to the negative 4. This is 1.00000 times 10 to the 2. This is 5.000 times 10 to the 2. 1.0 times 10 to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 1.0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0 times 10 to the negative 2. Okay? Easy? What did I use? I only used significant figures, and then I corrected. You're moving it to the left, it becomes the exponent increases. It becomes the right, it decreases. Left 3 times, 10 to the third. Left 4 times, right 4 times, etc. Clear?
Yeah.
Are we all right with that?
Yeah.
Because I want to do something else. So I'm going to erase that. Is that all right? You know what? We'll put it on pause. We'll put it on stop. And then we'll come back and we will do another video. Okay? Yes? Okay.